This is the AOHi SuperAuto 170 watt 3-port LED fast car charger, and this thing is an absolute beast. This is not some cheap gas station BS. This is some premium quality charging in a stylish little package. It's a high-performance machine. You're talking solid metal springs, precision CNC machining with premium aerospace aluminum, solid body, heavy-duty construction, ultra-high density. When you hold it in your hand, you can squeeze it and actually feel how well it's put together. It feels like something you could actually use as a small club to beat your child with. As far as the power output is concerned, you're talking 170 watts total output, 100 watts here, 70 watts here. That's 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A port sandwiched in the middle, giving you some options. Full speed, fast charging with a holographic LED display. Gonna turn the lights out so we can get a better look at this display. As you can see, it's currently on the total wattage output. When you click the button here on the side, you can cycle through the different screens. This screen shows you your total wattage output, and the next screen shows you your wattage output per port. How do you know that you're not overheating? Well, it's got a built-in AI smart thermal control system. As you can see, it tells you the temperature. That's right, folks. In real time, AI temperature regulation, AI dynamic thermal control, and real-time precision display. This is a fantastic feature. Gives a little peace of mind for all you power-hungry fast chargers out there. Universally compatible with thousands of devices. It's going to work with your Apple gear. It's going to work with your Android gear. It's going to work with your Steam Decks, your DJI camera equipment, etc. You can see here on the box it features GaN+. The does that even mean? GaN stands for gallium nitride. It's a semiconductor. Works great for USB-C devices. It's not a new technology, but it's perfect for consumer charging products. GaN can handle higher voltages and conduct electricity more efficiently, which makes it especially useful for compact, high-performance devices, just like the 170-watt SuperAuto car charger from AOHi. So we've got this thing powered on. I'm just going to show you all the potential possibilities here. If you've got yourself an AOHi charging cable, such as this, you can go ahead and get your Apple Watch charger out. And of course, anything that you need to keep charged via USB-A, like your clutch charger, you can just plug that in the middle, and now you got 3 things plugged in at the same time. It's giving you your entire output. You can click through the screen to see which ports are taking up what kind of power. I mean, you could definitely plug a laptop in here if you needed to. You could definitely plug in a Steam Deck. You can also keep an eye on your temperature. It bumped up just a little bit when it started charging. This is a friggin' awesome device, and this definitely takes your EDC power charging in the car up to the next level. We took this on our road trip to Fort Worth for Blade Show, Texas. So as you can see, we've got our AOHi power cable plugged into the Pro Max. My wife has her older iPhone with the lightning cable plugged in to the middle USB. We've got the other USB-C plugged into my Apple Watch, which is charging right there. And then of course on backup, I've got my other AOHi cable wrapped around for a little cord management EDC tip. Yeah, this is a pretty sweet car charger, and it's got these fun little animations on the screen to let you know it's awake. Hello, little charger. It's got these dope like yellow highlights on the side. This is just a cool looking device. Yeah, it's working great. Putting out between 9 and 11 watts of power, the wattage. And then you can see how it breaks down per device, which is actually pretty sweet. The individual wattage. And then, of course, the temperature, which is currently 28 degrees Celsius. So it's about 8 degrees hotter than it was when there was nothing charging. We'll see if that raises. But all in all, this is a dope device. I definitely like this. The metal springs are no joke. It stays firmly in place even on bumpy roads and over speed bumps. We only had the ability to charge 2 devices in the car, one USB-A and one USB-C. Popping this into the 12-volt gave us the ability to charge 3 extra devices for a total of 5 devices at the same time. If I had needed to power up my laptop or top off the battery banks, I could have handled that with no problems. It's high-tech, It's very cool. It's amusing. It was honestly very fun to take on a road trip. If you have kids, you're going to get an extra level of joy out of this thing, as I think young folks would dig it just for the LED animations alone. Overall vibe check, this is 110% gas. AOHi took the volume knob and cranked it up to 11 on this bad boy. The style is on point. This thing looks absolutely dope as hell. The yellow accents are funky fresh and fully complements the hot yellow aesthetic that AOHi has running through their entire brand. The build quality is top notch. It's very solid. It's going to stand up to some abuse. I can see this thing being very useful for a variety of people in a variety of vehicles, from truck drivers, bus drivers, and RV and boat operators down to urban EDC rats and pickup truck bros. It's a fun product that also delivers on functionality flat out. People who want to know the data will be happy with all the different display options, but anybody looking for strong power output in a compact, stylish design needs to check out the AOHi SuperAuto 170-watt 3-port LED fast car charger. Links are in the description. Use code PocketTheory15 off to get 15% off of your purchase today. Get it done. Keep your EDC charged and ready. Carry what you want.